Leaves in your gutter? Well, that can be a problem. Now, cleaning up these leaves from the gutter can be even a bigger problem. Some people get on ladders. Some people get on the roof. Now, that is dangerous stuff we're talking about. Today, I'm going to show you a safer way to get these gutters leaf-free. So this is what you'll need. An Ego 765 battery-powered handheld leaf blower. My favorite leaf blower. Also, the industry's most powerful. 765 CFM, folks. That's going to do some work. Next, you need a gutter cleaning kit made for that Ego blower. And now the KiteArmy secret, an HD endoscopic snake camera. I'll have a link to all three of these products right down below. So let's put this gutter cleaner together. First off, get your Ego 765 CFM leaf blower. Take off the nozzle. Get the nozzle that was included with the kit. Oh, look at this. Look like a pirate. And replace the nozzle with this short little nozzle right here. So then grab the next piece that looks like this, put it on top of the nozzle. You can see that little button right there. You have to go over that button and you can spin it around and lock it in. Now we just start adding extension pieces. All right, at the top you put the gutter cleaner, this angled thing. It's got some adjustments in it, so once you're starting to use it, you can adjust it to shoot in the gutter how you'd like. So the last thing is adding the HD endoscopic snake camera. Let's do it. Well, guys, there's no question my little contraption here, it works perfectly. Now, I know what you're thinking, Andrew, how high can I go? Of course, because that's what I was thinking. And I tried that. I tried it on the second floor of my house. I bought another one of ththese extension kits, put them together, and literally it was like a comedy show. Controlling this thing is so difficult at that height. So I'm going to say for second floors, not perfect, but can be done. For single-story houses, this thing is awesome. So if you're looking for any of the products I used in this video, make sure you check in the description below. And while you're down there, why don't you give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to this awesome channel. Let's do that. There's another awesome KiteArmy video right there, guys, and it's better than this one. Well, I might have oversold it, but it's good. Trust me. Let's go.